This Dalton Wade Real Estate Group property video is presented by Claudia Magdalena Dybala. Available from April 5, 2024 for $2,600 per month. This lovely lakeside condo has 3 bedrooms and 2 full baths plus a DN office and features a light and bright open concept floor plan. The kitchen is equipped with granite countertops, stainless steel appliances, a breakfast bar island, and a walk-in pantry. The screened-in, covered lanai is the perfect spot to unwind with nightly sunsets reflecting on the lake. With a split plan for privacy, the master suite is a welcoming retreat with a view of the lake, and an ensuite bathroom with dual sinks, a walk-in shower, and walk-in closet. 2 additional bedrooms share an adjacent full bathroom. The 1-car, attached garage leads directly into the condo. Toscana Isles is an amenities-rich gated community with clubhouse, infinity edge pool, fitness center, activities room, tennis courts, bocce, pickleball, kayak launching dock, a fire pit, playground, dog park, on-site activities director and more. Residents are permitted to fish, canoe and kayak. Other offerings include yoga and aqua fitness classes and a book club. Conveniently located to I-75 Publix grocery store, several golf courses, waterfront restaurants, and a new shopping center with